Hey guys, so this video I've had for a few weeks now, probably a month I think, but I've been meaning to upload it but I forgot. But I'm working on a new video, so I had to go ahead and finish this one and upload it for you guys. And it's just a I turned I got rid of my vanity, and it was my first vanity I ever made. I got rid of it and I turned my dresser into my vanity. And then I just did some other, I'm just going to give y'all a little tour of my room. Just how my closet looks, how my closet door, walls, just little stuff like that. Hope y'all enjoy it. If y'all like anything, let me know. If you want to know how I made anything, let me know. Most everything in my room, the decorations especially, is just inspiration from other YouTubers that I've seen. Especially, I believe her name is Vanity. I love to watch her videos. But this is my video. Tell me what y'all think. Like, comment, just tell me what you guys think. I need some feedback. And thank y'all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'm so happy. Thank you guys. I really appreciate y'all a lot, more than I can even say with just words. I really appreciate y'all, because without y'all, it's pointless for me doing what I like to do. But I'm always changing something in my room, y'all, like daily. So whenever I upload a video, if y'all see something different in my room and you got questions about it, just ask me, because yeah, I see something, I'll be like, oh, I like that. So 9 times out of 10 I change it. But anyway, here's the video, y'all. This is my dresser, and that is my vanity table. And then that's just an extra nightstand that I ordered with my bed, but I only use one. That one's still empty. So I just watched this video, and the girl actually turned her dresser into a vanity. Now she did like sand hers down and prime it and then paint it, but as y'all see, mine is already gold and mirrored with these cute little diamond studded, well, design, because it ain't a diamond. And my mirror is just absolutely beautiful. So, and then y'all see my little table. That was actually like I used it for half vanity, half desk. I have my computer and my school stuff over there, my little shelves. And my makeup table used to be really cluttered when I just had that little table. But I took them organizers and stacked them up. So, anyway, yeah, I'm fixing to say bye-bye to that. And I'm just going to use my dresser. It's nice and big. Has a lot of space to it. And then I have some extra drawers for storage. So, this is my DIY makeup. Turning my dresser into a makeup vanity. How about that? And here it is, finished. Not much stuff on there. I got my tower, which I made that myself. And all I did was I used the Dollar Tree little drawers, which in my town, when they get them, you got to get them fast because they go so quick. And I added some little flowers that I spray painted pink. Then I have my little round cosmetic case. And I glitterized my candle because it was a Bath and Body Works candle. And it was my birth month. Zodiac sign I meant. And it was Virgo. And of course it was orange and silver, so it wasn't going. So I just threw some glitter on it. I got my little gold pineapple, got it from Dollar Tree. My little fin, Dollar Tree, spray painted it pink. Spray painted a little pink drawer. And then that cosmetic case I had for some years now. I got that from TJ Maxx a while back. And then I left my shelves, but I did take some stuff down. So I minimized my perfumes. The ones I know I didn't wear, I took down, put some flowers on top of them. I just kept those. And I put my jewelry, my watches, big bracelets and stuff. Put that case up there with a little flower. And I have my palettes over there with my nail polishes. And I just kept out the ones that I know I usually use. The rest of them I put down in a box. And then I have that little shelf with my eyebrow pencils in my cup. And this is just my essential oils and mascara and all that different type of stuff. So I just threw that in there. And y'all, right now my room smells like lavender and peppermint. And I tell y'all, I just love it. And all I do, I drop the peppermint, I drop a couple drops on my rug and then on my bed. Y'all excuse it, my bed is kind of messy. On my bed, I just drop a couple drops of lavender on my pillows. It smells so heavenly, y'all. And my nightstand, I just took and I threw most of my school stuff inside. Don't really have no use for it. So I kept my niece's picture on it. I got my pen jar. I have my other Bath and Body Works candle. And some little notebooks that I keep. And that's it. That's all I did to it. Simple. And I'm just going to leave it like this until I find my next vanity. So I hope y'all enjoyed. But like I was saying, those was dark pink and I just spray painted those light pink. Got the spray paint from Walmart beautifully. Spray painted these flowers, they were white. And I used to have some different flowers in there. And I had some white rocks with some pink fur, but I took pink fur out and replaced it with some gold. I spray painted some gold leaves from the fake flowers. And then I stuck my balloon in there from Mother's Day my daughter got me. And yeah, so I did declutter because I have so much stuff in my room, y'all. And as you see, I still have, I don't think I have too much in those, but I do. Hope y'all enjoyed. That is my room tour. So anything y'all want to comment, like, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching.